Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and home of the NOLA Southern Experience, and I am here to demo the line dance for the Warmth of You. The Warmth of You 757. The song is The Warmth of You. The artist is Will Downing, and the choreography is Akili Mclamore. So if you're interested in the step-by-step instructional, you can watch till the end and I'll pin it right here, okay? Step-by-step instruction. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And here you go, The Warmth of You. Nice and smooth, guys. The Warmth of You. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.